Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to delete word by word on your Gboard keyboard. So here's a hidden Gboard trick. Instead of deleting one letter at a time, so simply you can go ahead and hold the backspace and it'll basically select all the words that you want to go ahead and delete. And then if you go ahead and leave that, this will now delete everything. So let me show you how this works. So here we'll go ahead and open up message. And let's just say, for example, I'll go ahead and paste this. So as you can see, when I press delete, it's going letter by letter. However, I want to go ahead and delete this word by word. So to do this, I'll go ahead and take my backspace and I'll go ahead and long press on this. So as you can see, it's basically selecting word by word. So now if I want to go ahead and delete this, I'll leave the screen and this will delete it. So no more deleting letter by letter. You can go ahead and just long press on your backspace and go ahead, select it and delete it word by word. So this speeds up editing messages or captions. It gives you precise control over what you delete, and it keeps your typing neat and efficient. So this is perfect for long text or notes. So there you go, guys. That is how to delete word by word on your Google keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy device.